Vilafranca del Penedès, located in the third suburb radius of the metropolitan Barcelona area, is famous for its wine and cava production as the capital of the Alt Penedès region. Beyond its agricultural roots, Vilafranca is emerging as a hub for higher education, which is boosting local real estate demand. The town is well connected by suburban railroads to Barcelona. Usual trip takes 1 hour and a half. The subject of the renovation study is located in the Poble Nou neighborhood of Vilafranca, close to the train station. It is a 3-story building with a rooftop terrace and a ground floor bar. The gross floor area is approximately 450 square meters, plus the terrace. The renovation study explores the possibility of converting the building into a multi-family condominium for long-term or student rentals. To convert it into a condominium, the following renovation steps will be required: minor changes to the floor plans to create separate apartments, renovation of floors, walls, and ceilings, replacement of doors, installation of energy-efficient windows, reorganization of the rooftop terrace into a common recreation area, installation of an elevator, conversion of the ground floor bar into an apartment with a complete upgrade, and renovation of utilities with individual connections for each apartment, including electricity switches, sockets, and lighting, plumbing and sanitary installations, as well as ventilation and air conditioning systems. After evaluating all the necessary renovation works, we have prepared a preliminary renovation budget. Taking into account the conversion of the bar into an apartment, installation of an elevator, interior works including new doors, windows, and lighting, facade refurbishment, and the upgrade of the rooftop terrace, the estimated minimum cost for this scope of work is €454,000. The calculation of design and permitting costs includes several components: topographic, geotechnical, and acoustic studies, BIM modeling, professional fees for the architect and technical supervisor Aparejador, design review by the Col Legi d'Arquitectes de Catalonia COAC, urban planning fees Tassa Urbanistica, and the construction tax for renovation works ICIO. The total estimated cost for these items is €116,000. Official data indicates the possibility of adding an additional floor. However, this idea would require thorough development within the architectural design phase. The construction of a new overstory would have a significant impact on both the budget and the project timelines. Thus, the total renovation budget for this building, based on the most modest estimates, amounts to €570,000.